Hello guys and welcome to the channel once again. Today I'm gonna show you how you can generate $21 every 10 minutes in Ethereum. It's really crazy how much money you can make with this, and I was totally amazed by this strategy when I found out about it. It's free to do, works in every country out there, and it's totally easy to do. A lot of people are already doing it, and we can do the same if we take some action right now. Just make sure to follow all the steps carefully as they are closely related and you need to do them in exact order. Also, please like the video and subscribe so you can stay updated whenever I find some new method for making money online. It means a lot to me, and for you, it's only one click. Now buckle up and let's go straight to step number 1. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. We're gonna mine some Ethereum for ourselves today, and basically Ethereum is a cryptocurrency which is now at around $4,000, and it's very profitable. It's gonna go higher in the future, and basically it's a technology that's home to digital money, global payments and applications, and this community has built a booming digital economy, some bold new ways for creators to earn online, and so much more. Guys, it's open to everyone. Wherever you are in the world, all you need is an internet connection. Everyone is able to use this website, which is ethereum.org, and these guys are very good at what they do. They made this possible to everyone on earth. No matter where you live, no matter how much money you've got to invest, in fact, you don't need to invest anything. You are eligible to make money with it. You're eligible to be a part of the community and to share some Ethereum and to be an active member of the community. You can even stake your coins here, and this all shows us how good this website is and how these people think of everything that is out there in terms of cryptocurrency. Because these guys made their mission to make Ethereum accessible to everyone. And today we're gonna mine some Ethereum for us. So basically, what is Ethereum mining? Mining is the process of creating a block of transactions to be added to the Ethereum blockchain. Of course, whatever you mine, it's gonna go straight into your wallet, and you can make a wallet on this website as well, as I'm gonna show you after this. But basically, why do miners exist at the first place? Well, there's something which is called proof of work, and in decentralized systems like Ethereum, we need to ensure that everyone agrees on the order of transactions. Miners help this happen by solving computationally difficult puzzles to produce blocks, securing the network from attacks. And that's what we're gonna do, guys. We're gonna mine some Ethereum, and as well, we're gonna help the blockchain. We're gonna help them to be more stable, And all of that Ethereum is gonna go into our wallets, and you can get one by clicking here on Use Ethereum and click on Ethereum wallets. And then you're gonna land on this page. By the way, this is over at ethereum.org, and once you click on that, you will click on Find a Wallet over here. Now on the next page, you can find all of these wallets which support Ethereum and which support other cryptocurrencies as well. So no matter which one of these you check, which one you get for yourself, it will be useful, and you can store your cryptocurrency in there. And guys, the price of Ethereum right now is $4,100. It's very profitable. It's very good nowadays, and look at it, it skyrocketed really. It was like 1.8 thousand a few months ago, and now it's 4.1. So this is a great time, great opportunity to get some Ethereum for yourself. And now for the next step, we're gonna go to minerstat.org, and this is the place where you can mine yourself some Ethereum. Of course, you can mine some other cryptocurrency if you like that, but this is the website which made me rich in terms of Ethereum mining. This is a great Ethereum website because there are a lot of people mining it, and when you join with someone here which can be access to this multi-user access, you can get more hash rate, you can get more Ethereum in your wallet. This website has all of these features which are very good for mining. I tested it a lot of times. A lot of my friends are making money as well, and all you need to do this is to get yourself an account here by clicking on the Get Started button. Now here you just have to enter your valid email address. Be sure to make it valid because they're gonna send you a confirmation link, and and you'll need to verify it. And once you make yourself a brand new free account on this website, you will be landed on this dashboard, and here you can see at the top how much each cryptocurrency is worth. This is now in euros. And down here, you can see all of these algorithms, all of these different algorithms, which you can choose and make yourself some Ethereum or Bitcoin if you like that. But what you need to do now is to go on workers here, and now you have to choose which graphic cards you own. So if you have an NVIDIA, if you have an AMD or ASIC machine, I doubt that you have this one. But for example, I have NVIDIA, and now let's just click on continue. Select your operating system here, click on continue, and now you just have to name your worker, and for this one you can just name it Ethereum so you can get started with this. Click on add worker, and it's gonna lead you to this page where you now have your own access key and you have your worker name. And be sure to remember this one. It's gonna stay here, but remember it, save it somewhere because it's very, very important. Now you can just download this Windows node. You'll be prompted to save this into your computer, and after that just click on continue to dashboard. And guys, I went on Trustpilot just so you can see how popular and how good this website is. As you can see, 4.5 it's the rating here, and they've got 79% of these 5 stars. There are plenty of good reviews on this website because it's very, very trustable, very legit. A lot of people are using this website and they make a lot of money with it. So now we can do the same. We're gonna take some of that money for ourselves as well, because we can't let them take all the profits now, can we? And once you have that into your computer, it's gonna set this worker at work, and you're gonna start mining Ethereum. This goes in a way, the better your graphic cards is, the more money you're gonna generate. And here there is a mining calculator which you can use to calculate how much money can you earn. Here you just click on GPU mining, and here you can see that based on what graphics card you have, compared to that, how much Ethereum can you get, for example, on this side over here. So here you just have to put your electricity cost, for example, it's 0.01, then click on calculate, that's US dollars per kilowatt per hour. Click on calculate, and for example, if you have this NVIDIA RTX 3090, click on this, and here you can get a rough calculation on how much money you can get. MinersStat is a really, really good website, in my opinion, in my own experience, because they have over 2,000 pools. You can choose from that. They got 36 mining clients, and they support all of these graphic cards. So if you've got one of these, you are ready to go. Guys, MinersStat made me a lot of money recently, and I highly suggest that whoever wants to mine some Bitcoin or Ethereum or whatever, to use MinersStat, because as you were able to see, it's a very legit, very popular website which is highly profitable. And once you get that Ethereum, it will go straight into your Ethereum wallet over here, and then you can do with it whatever you want, guys. You can sell it, you can keep it in your wallet. I tend to keep it in my wallet because now the Ethereum is 4.1 thousand, but imagine it goes double to 8,000 or even to 20,000, then that's even more profits for us. You just let it in your wallet, and then you earn money just by keeping it there. That's the perfect example of passive income. So guys, I highly suggest that you go and start this adventure of mining some Ethereum for yourself, or mine any of these other coins if you feel like it. But my suggestion is to go with Ethereum, as it's very, very good now, so you can be profitable in the long run. That's gonna be all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please like the video, hit the subscribe button so you can be with me whenever I find some new website, some new app, so you can make money. See you later, guys.